So top hat, 55 foot-pound for the 3 bolts on each side. So those centering ring at on the top mount, it's just an insert that is pressed in, and so if the threads are damaged, your first bet is to use the next size up, which is a 7/16, either fine grain or coarse grain. Here I went with a coarse grain 7/16/14 to tap the hole, and you will hopefully have enough left for the new bolt to grab and hold at 55 foot-pound of torque. The other option, like I did here, is to get an M10 bolt from the bottom. So first you remove the arm, and then from the bottom here, but you can insert your bolt from the bottom, and then here at the top you can just secure with a nut. And if the nut spins, you will have to kind of squeeze a wrench in there to hold it in place. So here I use a M10 by 1.5, 55 millimeter long bolt. Minimum size you will need is 40 millimeter, but I use a little extra, so you can see here I have more room to reach, and I can put my torque pin more easily on the bolts. So those have been torqued to 55 foot-pound. You can see at the bottom. So here you have the bottom of the bolt, and over there, I'm not sure if the camera will see. Yeah, you can still clear the control arm. So that will actually be more secure than the original bolt in those little inserts. But those are your two options, either a tap or a bolt upside down. Make sure the head is not too heavy, otherwise there is very little clearance with the arm. Here it's just rubbing a tiny bit. Those are your two options, otherwise you have to get a new mount, and they are about $200. They don't sell the insert separately, unfortunately.